In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkbox required in DocuSign. This is a comprehensive guide that will walk you through each step, ensuring your documents get signed with all the necessary requirements fulfilled. First, head to DocuSign.com and click on Login to access your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. From there, navigate to Start and then select Send an Envelope. You'll need to upload the document you intend to send, whether it's a contract, form, or any other supported file type. The document will be the foundation for setting up your required checkbox. Next, we'll need to add the recipients to whom you'll be sending the document. Enter each recipient's name and email address. If more than one recipient is involved, make sure you set the signing order to define the sequence in which each recipient will interact with the document. Once you've entered all necessary details, click Next, and you'll be directed to the Prepare Document screen, which is where we'll add our fields. Now, within the Fields panel located on the left side of your screen, scroll down to find the Checkbox option. Drag and drop the checkbox to the exact spot in the document where you want the recipient to make a selection. This placement is crucial as it indicates where you need confirmation from the signer. To make this checkbox a required field, click on it to open the Field Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Required. Checking this box ensures that the recipient cannot finalize their signing process without selecting it. This particular step is vital for documents where confirmation is necessary. While in the Field Properties panel, you might encounter optional settings that could be beneficial. The Assign to option lets you specify which recipient is responsible for checking the box. If you have a default value in mind, you can pre-check the box, which might be suitable for some, but remember it's optional even for required fields. Additionally, adding validation or a tooltip allows you to provide further guidance, such as instructing the recipient with a message like, "You must agree to the terms." If your document requires multiple checkboxes, consider creating checkbox groups. This option allows each checkbox to be independently required or optional. For scenarios needing exclusive selection, similar to radio buttons, only one checkbox in a group can be selected. After setting all required checkboxes and before sending your document, be sure to double-check their placement and ensure you've correctly assigned each to the intended recipient. With everything in place, click Send. From here, recipients will not be able to complete their signing until all required checkboxes are duly checked. Following these precise steps ensures all necessary aspects of your document are completed, providing you with a foolproof signing process in DocuSign.